Welcome to the Westerly plan. It is the largest floor plan offered here in Eden Springs. Let's go ahead and take a look inside together. Here are some of the tile selections that you get to choose from if you go with DR Horton. So we have the simple neutral tiles, a little bit of the veining here, marble look, and we can definitely go over these together once you decide. Behind you against that wall is some cabinet choices, combinations. So here we have the different colors of cabinets, and what you see here is a package. So it cannot be interchangeable. So if you like this granite, but then you like this carpet color, it cannot be mixed, unfortunately. So here we have the different color choices. This hunter green is very fashionable with the gold. And we have the brushed nickel finish with the navy, and just as you see here. For me personally, I tend to go to these colors just because of the cabinet color is a beautiful neutral and it's not stark white, but it does give you this complementary lovely tone here. If you're interested in buying a home in this Eden Springs community or any Myrtle Beach community, make sure to contact me. All my contact information will be provided for you down below, and free resources. So make sure to check those out after this video. I hope to connect with you soon. Okay, beside me are the stone choice colors here. We have a beautiful Pennsylvania weathered ledge. This is a natural blend weathered ledge, and then here we have the sienna weathered ledge. All right, as soon as we enter in, we have this flex space area and a formal dining room area with a tray ceiling. Then we can enter into the kitchen here. It has plenty of cabinetry space and two seated island here with a walk-in pantry. Here is another eat-in area with a living room combination. Let me take you outside so that you can take a look at this screened-in patio. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first bedroom here on the first floor. It is a generous size. This is a queen bed here. Hello, and make sure to check out the free resources linked down for you below. Here is a walk-in closet, a drop zone here, and a 3-car garage. You know, for your golf cart, 2 cars, or you can even convert this area into a workshop. Plenty of space there. Another closet here. And we have a hallway bathroom with a tub and shower combination. There is another closet under the stairs. Perfect for those odd shaped items or luggages. And let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. And as soon as we get upstairs, to the right is a loft area with one bedroom right off the stairs, and it is a Jack and Jill bathroom with a tub and shower combination. Other bedroom here with a step-in closet. And here we have another bathroom with a shower and tub combination. And here is a primary suite with a beautiful tray ceiling and a seating area. If I had this floor plan, I would enclose it and turn it into a large closet. Right here is a primary ensuite with a full shower, a linen closet one of the two vanities. Here's the second vanity, his and her vanity, the toilet, linen closet, large master closet here with the laundry room, and back to the loft area. Well, friends, that concludes the showing of Eden Springs. Make sure to take a look at the neighborhood drive at the end of this video, and also the amenity center that is offered here. Behind me are lots available for you to choose from. I'd love to help you pick the perfect one out. Does it cost more to use a real estate agent when buying a new home? No. Actually, they do not reduce the price or give you any incentives to not use a real estate agent. They actually have a budget set aside to pay for real estate agents. So if you would like my representation and to help make everything go as smooth as process, checking in on the construction while you're away and out of state, I'd love to be that realtor that helps you find your next lovely home and make sure that everything is done correctly to your liking. Contact me today, and I'd love to hear from you soon. In the meanwhile, check out this video next.